we make a few mistakes due to which we lose our listeners. Here are a few of them. Number one, using jargons, and only jargons in your speech. Number two, taking up too much time building up on the topic and not hitting on it for a long time. Number three, talking about everything under the sky except the topic that you're giving your speech for. So avoid these mistakes for your audience to really listen to you and give you their 100% attention. Part 2 and 3 coming up soon. Till then, all the best.